Okay, today we are going to create a pre-allocation of an item on a sales order and create the purchase order at the same time. Now, we're in sales orders, we're going to scroll down and we've sold a gazebo, and the gazebo has multiple parts to it, but this panel requires manufacture, so we need to order it. So I'm going to select that item and then I'm going to create a purchase order. Now, I could add to an existing purchase order, or I could create a separate new purchase order. This will automatically create the pre-allocation of the item on that sales order against the item in the purchase order that we're creating. This one says only purchase items with insufficient inventory. So if I had 5 units available in my warehouse and we had an order for 10, this would just create the purchase order for 5 units because we only need 5 units, already having 5 available. Going to receive it to the head office with a contact, and we are going to reference our customer A on the purchase order. And now we have created the pre-allocation. So on the sales order, so if we scroll down, there is the pre-allocated item. And you can also click through and you can just open up the purchase order that we're going to have a look at. And here's the purchase order that we've created, and there's the item that's pre-allocated against that. You can also see this at the item level. And if we go into items, and there we can see we've just created that pre-allocation. So we can